And then everybody's talking about AI. AI is the buzz. And AI businesses, how businesses can leverage AI. How AI is transforming. Hello everyone. Today I'm with Sharad. Sharad is the founder of Startup Pro. Now, if you are a company who's entering India and need any kind of support, be it CA, CS, or lawyer, Sharad is a one-stop solution for you for all your needs regarding law and order. And you can just come and start. If you are a company in India and you need any kind of legal support, CS support, just contact him. Forget about anything legal or governance. He'll take care of it. You take care of the business. So now back to why we are here. So, Sharon, I wanted to ask you a few questions about, how businesses, AI is the buzzword, AI is the hype. Everybody's talking about AI, but businesses don't know,
Right.
right? Why we should. So, tell me from where do your interest came into, right? How did you get started into?
Firstly, thanks, Rangi, for having me. So, interest in AI, as you rightly mentioned, AI being the buzzword. Right? So, we were looking at adopting AI to our regular routine work, which are very repetitive. So, we were looking at technology, specifically AI tools, which can reduce the dependency or sort of accelerate these regular mundane tasks, right? It can be automated. That's where the interest came into. Can we look at certain AI tools which can help us save time, especially, and build more accuracy? That's where, but with so much noise around AI, we are still looking for the right tool which can support us in this endeavor.
So, okay, so yeah, this. Like so many founders are yet to even start because it is so complicated. As you said, like so much information is there, information, then overdose of everything. So how, what made you get started? Like, what is the first thing you did when you understood AI? So, what is the first use case, the first thing you did for your company? Took you further?
So one thing which we did use very extensively is ChatGPT, the lowest hanging fruit, right? So generative. So we use that mostly for communication, the email communication. Then we sort of extrapolated it, built content for a blog post, etc. But the advantage of AI platform like ChatGPT is you can do this in seconds, but the disadvantage is that it can throw up surprises here and there, right? So yeah. So we'll have to be really careful in sort of vetting the information and then sort of posting it.
Absolutely. Like they give so much of information that is so difficult to consume. And, So, what is that one place you feel that AI can definitely work in business, like make business simpler or make business more efficient?
One is I feel the email communication is not going anywhere. When it is here to stay.
Yes.
So one thing is automating the email communication, making it more crisper and things like that, right? So that definitely can play a huge role. One which you mentioned where bots are being replaced for services, sales inquiries. So that is an again great area where AI will definitely play a role. Significant role in also would be played in terms of recruiting people and managing people, right? So managing talent, right? Which I feel a lot of enterprises are now adapted. But there will be a time where every startup will also get into that space. Because recruitment for startups, it's a nightmare.
It's a nightmare. Then so much of your time will go.
Exactly. And like large enterprises where there are people systems in place, startups for hiring, especially we don't have systems in place. Mostly these are founder led, right? So that using AI could take a lot of place.
So, when you said email, it's a wonderful example because I see a lot of people saying that it's a hype and it will get bubbled like a .com bubble. But we know that email has stayed the .com bubble. The .com bubble has stayed the website. Like we're still 100% dependent on website for all our traffic. Everything is still on website like Facebook, Instagram. Apps are there, but like still. So what do you think? This AI is a bubble or like it is not going to hamper us? So like what do you think about this AI bubble which people are talking about?
I think so. That is AI bubble, I won't even call it a bubble. I think it's the way which we every startup, every business has to ride. And I think it will stay for a very long time. It will have its own versions of it. Right now, most businesses use AI for, I mean, it is limited to automation. People want to save time, people want to save probably man hours in some case, manpower in some case, right? So I think that will get evolved, and so I don't think it is a bubble. Bubble could be a wrong use the word. So
I mean, I feel like bubble is mostly for the investor side of the business.
right.
But if businesses don't use AI right now, like 4 years down the line, it will be very, very tough for them to start.
Absolutely.
Like even if the technology is right now not there, you still have to leverage to understand and come out of the
Absolutely.
My last question to you. So there are business owners who are yet to start with the AI. So what is your one tip for them to get started?
For the sake of repetition, I think the easiest platform of get started is that. And mostly cost more. Even if you go the pro way, it's extremely economical. So I think to get started with AI, that's the perfect tool. And then sort of figure out what are the other tools which can sort of integrate. So that would be me.
So get started with using ChatGPT. This is the bare minimum. This is the ABCD of AI. And thank you so much, Sharad. If you are a business in India, you're looking for a CA, CS and lawyer, together with like Trishul, Sharad is going to solve all your problems so that you can focus on your business. So I hope you connect with Sharad soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.